You ever walk into a place so clean, so calm, it almost whispers? Not just clean like a shiny floor, but clean like a fresh breath. That's an Amish home. And today we're stepping inside. No buzz of vacuums. No shelves full of chemicals. Just vinegar, soap, discipline, and a way of life that turns cleaning into something sacred. Stick around because this isn't about spotless windows. It's about peace. And how the Amish find it, one sweep at a time. The morning routine starts early. It's not even sunrise yet. The first lights just teasing the edges of the curtain. And already, the day's in motion. In an Amish household, cleaning doesn't begin with a checklist. It begins with instinct. Floors are swept before the rooster crows. Counters wiped down before the coffee perks. You don't wait till mess piles up. You just clean as you go. That's how they do it. No fuss, no noise, just quiet efficiency passed down from mother to daughter. And back again. Soap, vinegar, and good old elbow grease. No store-bought chemicals here. No neon-colored sprays or plastic bottles crowding under the sink. Just a worn-out mason jar of white vinegar. A chunk of homemade lye soap. A soft rag. And willpower. That's all you really need. They'll tell you vinegar does half the work on its own. Cuts grease, kills germs, clears windows till they shine like glassy ponds. And the soap? That's made from rendered lard and ash. It smells clean. Not fancy, but clean. And that's the goal. Not fragrance. Not packaging. Just results. Dirt doesn't stand a chance, even out here. Out in the fields, boots bring back clumps of mud. Real dirt, not the dusty city kind. This stuff sticks, but never stays long. Amish folks, they don't let it linger. There's a brush by the back door, a thick mat on the porch, aprons hung nearby. It's like the house defends itself. Everyone knows the rules. Kick off boots. Hang up your coat. Don't bring the outside in. And if you do, you clean up after yourself. No complaints. It's just what's expected. Everything has a place and a purpose. You walk into an Amish home and something hits you. Not the smell of bleach or air freshener, but the sense of calm. It's in the way things are arranged. Straight, neat, purposeful. Every broom has its hook. Every rag, its drawer. Nothing's extra. Nothing's wasted. And that's the beauty of it. No clutter. No chaos, just calm, quiet order. Makes you breathe slower, think clearer. Funny how a clean space does that. Cleaning isn't a chore, it's a rhythm. There's no set cleaning day in Amish life. It's more like a rhythm, a beat. Monday might be laundry. Tuesday, baking and wiping down shelves. Saturday, that's big clean day. Windows washed, floors scrubbed on hands and knees. But it doesn't feel like punishment. It feels like preparation. For Sunday, a day of rest, the clean house becomes part of the stillness, the reverence. Even the children feel it. It's not about being perfect. It's about being present. Kids learn early, real early. A little girl no taller than a milk pail is sweeping the floor. She's got braids, bare feet, determined eyes. She's not playing house. She's helping. Amish children aren't shielded from chores. They're invited into them. Cleaning becomes a shared dance between generations. A toddler might dust the legs of a chair. A 10-year-old scrubs the wood stove. Everyone pitches in. That's how you learn, how you grow, how you become someone others can count on. Technology? Who needs it? There's no vacuum home, no dryer buzz, just the steady swish of a broom. The clatter of a wash tub, the flap of clothes on the line, catching wind. You start to realize you don't need power to clean well. You need patience and practice. They wash windows with old cloth diapers, scrub floors with vinegar and water, beat rugs on the porch rail. It's slower, sure, but it's also better. There's a care in the slowness, a connection to the work. When the whole community gets involved, it's not just about one home. Sometimes, cleaning stretches beyond your own doorstep. Like when church service is hosted in someone's home, everyone helps tidy up. The benches, the kitchen, the yard. Same with the schoolhouse or the barn after a wedding. You don't ask, is this my job? You just pitch in. That's community. That's the Amish way. Cleaning becomes a language, a way of showing respect, gratitude, love. Clean means more than just tidy. It's not about spotless surfaces. Not really. It's about peace. A clean home calms the spirit. The Amish believe that, and you feel it in their spaces. No clutter to crowd your mind. No filth to fester frustration. Just clean air, clear space, quiet comfort. It's more than hygiene. It's holiness. A way to say, we're thankful. Thankful for the walls around us, for the hands to clean them, for the time to care. What we could take away. You don't have to be Amish to clean like one. You don't have to give up electricity or churn your own butter. But you can slow down, simplify. Let cleaning become a quiet, grounding habit, not a loud, rushed task. Next time you wipe a counter, think of the woman waking before dawn with her vinegar bottle and her soft cloth. She's not just cleaning, she's preserving something. Order, grace, home. That's the heart of Amish cleaning. And here at Rustic Plantry, we think that's worth learning from. So maybe we don't all live off-grid. Maybe we like our gadgets. That's okay. But there's something about the Amish way of cleaning that makes you pause, makes you think. Maybe the secret's not in a new mop or miracle spray. Maybe it's in slowing down, doing things with care, with purpose. Thanks for spending a little time with us today, right here on Rustic Plantry. If this stirred something in you, give it a like, leave a thought in the comments, and share it with someone who'd love the quiet beauty of a clean, intentional life. See you next time.